Hi, MFM crew, and welcome, new subscribers. I am Sonia, multifaceted me. Are you intrigued by what you see? If you are, then come with me into the Habitat for Humanity's Restore. They have a lot of good items, and I am sure you're going to enjoy. I'm not going to talk through the whole video, I'll come in and out, but I just want you to enjoy the items that you see. Now, this is for all my dish lovers. Enjoy! Is this enough champagne glasses for you? Oh, I didn't mention the furniture? I do apologize, but look at what they have available. Lighting is everything in a space, MFM crew, and I have something wonderful for you. Do you need to refresh the lighting in your ceiling? Yeah, these are lampshades, but you just keep watching. Do you see what's in the background? Uh-huh. Just hold on, because it's coming right at you. That's right, chandeliers. Enjoy. See anything to your liking yet? Uh-huh. I see you nodding your head. Yeah, you need to come to the NC. And by now you're saying, okay, Sonia, you're showing off now. You are really, really making me sick because I can't get those chandeliers. Yes, you can. You can take a drive. Okay, now you're saying, what? More? That's right. Keep watching. Keep watching. Uh huh. Okay, all right. Calm down, calm down. I know some of you have smacked your leg, some of you have shook your hair because you're like, I need that, I need that, I need that. Well, this is to encourage you to go out in your area and find some new thrift shops in your area because I'm telling you, you are missing some things that have your name on it. This is Sonia, Multifaceted Me. Thanks for watching. Bye.